Way to go. Danish Minstrel from the outside. Queen's Prayer 5A. And down on the inside is entry number 8. This one is Morning at Sir. It's now Queen's Prayer, followed by entry number 3. And this one, rather number 8. And this one is Danish Minstrel. At still entry number 5, Queen's Prayer, the favorite by some 2 lengths, followed by Danish Minstrel in second. And racing in third is Bring It On. Rounding the far turn, Queen's Prayer, this time by some 6 lengths, followed by Danish Minstrel. And racing from the outside is Touch of Gold, the Sergeant. Moving up 5, number 5, and this one is London Dry. And hitting the last 450 meters more to run, Queen's Prayer by some 4 lengths, Touch of Gold, London Dry. The couple made down on the inside is Danish Minstrel. And hitting the finish line, Queen's Prayer, London Dry, Morning na Sir is running by the rail. Touch of Gold from the outside. And hitting the last 150 meters more to run, 5A, Queen's Prayer, followed by 5, London Dry. And finally, Queen's Prayer, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Second, You Belong to Me, London Dry, Touch of Gold, and Walk the Talk.